It seems like you can't go anywhere without hearing about Bitcoin. Just about everyone has something to say about the digital currency, and many people are talking about the Bitcoin bubble. We're going to take a technical look at a financial bubble and view where Bitcoin is in comparison. First, a little history. Bitcoin is a digital currency started in 2009, created by an unknown person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. In August of 2010, you could have purchased one Bitcoin for 6 cents. Now one Bitcoin is worth over $5,000. Now what's a bubble? Investopedia defines a bubble as an economic cycle characterized by a rapid escalation of asset prices followed by a contraction. It's created by a surge in asset prices unwarranted by the fundamentals of the asset and driven by exuberant market behavior. When no more investors are willing to buy at the elevated price, a massive sell-off occurs, causing the bubble to deflate. To get a better understanding of what a bubble looks like, let's look at a classic bubble chart. In this chart of a bubble, there are different phases listed at the bottom and where different type of investors get involved at the top. You can see that the smart money and the institutional investors get in early. Now let's compare this classic bubble chart to a Bitcoin chart. Looking at this Bitcoin chart that goes back to July 2014, you can see a lot of similarities between the current Bitcoin chart and the classic bubble chart. On the Bitcoin chart, we can see where the takeoff occurred. We can also see where the sell-off and bear trap occurred. Bitcoin, however, keeps reaching that new paradigm territory. What does a bubble mean for you if you own Bitcoin? It means that you should proceed with caution, invest defensively, and think about your exit strategy. No one can tell you exactly when the bubble will burst, but thinking back to the definition of the bubble, the burst happens when no more investors are willing to buy at the elevated price. Is $5,000 that price? We don't know. For those that don't own Bitcoin but are interested, when bubbles burst, they provide an opportunity for cheaper investment. Taking a look back at the dot-com bubble and burst, using Amazon as an example, Amazon traded at over $90 per share at one point. But when the dot-com bubble burst, the stock fell drastically in price. In January of 2001, Amazon was trading at roughly $16 per share. Now Amazon trades at close to $1,000 per share. So the bubble bursting brings opportunity. So we hope this gives you some insight into what an asset bubble is or an investment bubble is and where Bitcoin is. The Silver Report is a believer in Bitcoin, and Bitcoin being in a bubble is our opinion, but we would love to hear yours. Do you think Bitcoin is in a bubble or not? Whatever you think, let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.